How does inter-sentential code switching work? Imagine you're chatting with a friend who speaks two languages fluently. Sometimes, they switch from one language to another at the end of a sentence. That's what we call inter-sentential code switching. It's when a person changes languages at sentence boundaries, not within a sentence. For example, they might say one sentence in English and then switch to Spanish for the next. This pattern is common in bilingual communities and shows how language is tied to social identity. From an anthropological point of view, inter-sentential code switching helps people signal their cultural belonging. It can also be a way to manage social relationships or show familiarity. When someone switches languages at a sentence break, it often marks a shift in topic or tone. It can also be used to emphasize a point or to include cultural references that are better expressed in one language. The process involves the speaker completing a full grammatical and syntactic unit in one language before switching to the other. Each sentence follows the grammatical rules of its language, making it easier for bilingual speakers to keep their speech clear and organized. Because each sentence is a complete unit, switching between languages is less demanding than switching within a sentence. People usually need to be fluent in both languages to do this smoothly. It's a skill that takes practice, especially to switch at the right moment. Sometimes, speakers switch to fill in a word or phrase that is more familiar or culturally appropriate in one language. This can happen when a specific word or concept is hard to translate directly. Inter-sentential code switching also helps show the speaker's attitude or stance. For example, switching might signal a change in the conversation's mood or highlight a cultural connection. It can also reflect which language is more dominant in a particular setting or among certain groups. In short, inter-sentential code switching works by alternating languages at sentence boundaries, keeping each sentence grammatically correct in its own language. It's a way for bilingual speakers to express their identity, manage social interactions, and communicate more effectively. This pattern shows how language use is deeply connected to social and cultural contexts, making it a fascinating part of linguistic anthropology and sociolinguistics.